Here's the weekly check on the Hungry Ben and Red Wigglers. Go ahead and see if I could take this off with one hand. Forgot to turn this light on here. There we go. Okay, let's see what it looks like under here. I did go back and put some diatomaceous earth underneath. Still a lot of gnats. So let me go ahead and put my gloves on and set this camera up. I'll be right back. Alright, experimental food time. Let's see. I could put a bunch of bread in here, but let's find the experimental container. See a bunch of beetles on top. It's warm in here. Okay, let's see what's gone in here. Inside here was, I believe, the dressing. I don't see anything in here. Last week I think there was a worm or two. Okay, let's leave it in again. They're obviously busy working on some other food to come in here where there's hardly anything in there. I didn't see anything. This is bread stuffs, I believe. Let's turn this over. See if you can see what I'm doing here. It's well worked underneath, which is nice. It's worms. See if I could pull any out here. There's a banana stem. There's some mites on it. Okay. It's a little stinky in this bin. But the worms are working underneath it. Underneath the top bedding. Okay. Oh, there's a ton of them underneath here. Look at that nice cast compost. Alright. They're all underneath that layers. The top layer of bedding. I don't know if you could see them here as I pull back. The top layer of bedding. But they're just working away. All right. I'm going to put some, going to feed them. Worms making their way down. Put the usual ground eggshells. Okay, get me some food here. This is from my friends at Share Waste, so I have no idea yet what's in here. Looks like lettuce, banana peels. What is this? Is this something? Oh, tomato. Tomato. The green stuff appears to be either cilantro or parsley. Maybe even some, what do you call that? Spinach. Let's see what else is in here. More greens, some bread. Break that up a little bit. The smaller the bread pieces are, the better for them. Let's see, that's enough food. Nope. Let's see. We got some romaine. And let's see. More banana peels. More tomato. Alright. That's enough. And let's see. Put a little bit of coffee grounds. Let's see, what else do I have here? Oh, I have something I wanted to try. Just to, let's see. This is a little bit of Bokashi bits. Mostly I want to put it in here for the microbial action. That's my main goal here, I guess, of adding that. Just have a little bit of moist bedding. Spread that around here. And on top of that, I'm going to put dry bedding. It's a little bit different for me. It's nothing like trying. You never know what's going to work better. Hopefully that'll keep gnats down as well as mites. Pretty much filled up my bin here. And on top of that, I'm adding some neem seed. Actually, it's what I normally add into to making moist bedding. So neem seed, dunks, mosquito dunks, because this will eventually get moist. Let's see, coral calcium powder, which helps to bring up the pH level if it needs it, and also gives the worms nutrition and grit. And that's it. Let me take this camera and show you what the bin looks like. So there you go. I'll recover it up, and thank you for coming on this journey with me.